Hi, everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. Today is the 338th day of the year, and there are only 27 days left. So let me see what I have going on here. Oh, hey, the 10th is Dewey Decimal Day. So if you want to see what our Dewey Decimal System looks like, out in the adult nonfiction stacks, we have a sign up that's got the Dewey Decimal System on there. So take a gander at it. In the children's department, on the 6th is the Tween Book Club, and they're going to be reading Unsettled by Reem Farquhar. That ought to be a pretty good book. Then on Thursday, the Creative Club is going to be doing this craft, which is a solar system mobile. Isn't that cute? And that is the 15th. And then on Family Story Time, the 5th, they're doing this cute little snow globe. And you get to decorate a sweater. How cute is that? And then for the story time that is on the 12th, you get to make your very own stocking. I think those are adorable. Those are so cute. Then in the teen department, the DIY Mondays, the 5th, they're going to make stamps that you can use on cards or stationery. And on the 12th, you get to make and decorate sugar cookies. And then movie night is the 8th, and the 15th is game night. Those two are on Thursdays. And all of these start at 6 o'clock in the community room. And then Saturday the 17th at noon, they're going to have teen tabletop. So remember that, okay? Then on the 13th at noon is our second Tuesday Lunch and Learn. And we're going to be doing a cookie exchange. Now, you're not required to register, but we'd like for you to sign up so we kind of have an idea of how many are coming. So you bring some cookies and then you exchange them for somebody else's. You can bring your recipe, and that way, if people really like your cookies, they can take your recipe home with them. And then don't forget the Take It, Make It for December. Those are out at the circulation desk. And then, according to parade.com, December is Learn a Foreign Language Month and also Read a New Book Month. So if you go to our website and you scroll down to the quick links, you can see all of our e-resources. And there you can check out a new book on like Tumble Books, Teen Tumble Books, Hoopla, and Library to Go. And also go to Mango Languages and learn a new language. So when you're not doing anything getting ready for Christmas, come check out stuff at the library. So till next time, have an awesome couple weeks. Bye.